Friends, you may ask if Gandhi is actually relevant to 21st century. The answer is obviously yes, and COVID-19 has given enough opportunity to realize his values and morals. In Gandhi, we have the best teacher to guide us. His values, teachings and word are applicable to the 21st century as the planet has plunged into multiple crises including climate change, biodiversity loss and the pollution. From uniting those who believe in humanity to furthering sustainable development and ensuring economic and self-reliance, Gandhi offers solutions to every problems. Today we are lost in chaos. The world is under the burden of global warming, climate change and the resource crunch. United Nations has recognized Gandhian idea of sustainable development and inaugurated Gandhi's solar park at its headquarters. Moreover, behind all the climate deals, environmental and conservation treaties and sustainable development goals reflect his philosophy of ownership and self-sustenance. Who else could have used a charkha spinning wheel, a khadi Indian homespun cloth as a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat? Isn't it empower for a nation? Rightly called a father of the nation, he led India's freedom movement against the British rule in India. His method of non-violence inspired many civil rights movements across the world. We all vividly remembered how he was an inspiration for many. Such the Abhiyan in not a physical movement but people's movement. The recent Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, the biggest cleanliness drive of the India, is a fulfill the dream of Bapu by making India's clean. In the age of information technology, where is the applicability of Gandhian iconic spinning wheel? In the age of consumption, what is the use of self-control? Remembering his quote that earth has enough for human needs but not for human greeds. His trustiness concept given a clearing call to focus on sustainable consumption and production and avoid wastage. A committed nationalist, but at the same time he was a cultural cosmopolitan leader. The only solution to injustice and extremism today is to revisit and practice Gandhian values such as truth, non-violence and secularism. His guiding light to inspire hope of many to lead forward continues to give courage to millions globally. Friends, what would have been the world sans Gandhi and his teachings? It is hard to believe. As a human being and with simplicity, his thoughts and legacy are needed more than ever to guide everyone in the path of truth. Non-violence and peace, the world boasts to you. Let us work shoulder to shoulder to make our worlds prosperous, free from hate, violence, sufferings, tolerance. That is when we fulfill Gandhi's dream, be our Bapu of Mahatma. We need teachings to survive the challenge of 21st century.